Hello everyone, today we will learn the encapsulation in a Python. So let's start. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is used to restrict access to method and variables. Encapsulation code and data are wrapped together within a single unit from begin modified by accident. So in this case, access modifier having the three types, like one is public, protected and private. Public member is accessible from inside or outside the class. Okay, in this case we are having the public function and public variables. So we can access that one in a parent class to child class also, or outside the class also, directly in our instance also, like objects also. So private, the private members is accessible only inside the class. In this case, private variables we can access only the particular class only. Suppose we are having the parent class and there is some variables we are mentioning as a private. So we can inherit that one to the child class. That time we can't access the private variable in a child class. This is called as a private, and we use the double underscore symbol for the using private keyword as a keyword. In second, third, like protected, the protected member is accessible from inside the class and its subclass. Subclass means child class. Okay, in this scenario, protected we can access same class or child class only. We can't access that one directly in an object or outside the class. So we can check next. Let's start the coding. So we can take here one class emp like this, and we can use here one function def like detail details. So this details is a public. Okay, and next is we can type here like print I am public. That's it. Okay, and we can I am public emp employee. So and we can take here second one like def double underscore we can take, and we type here salary. That's it, and this is the private. Okay, and we can type here like print, and we can type here I am private. Okay, so and third one we can take here def like single, and we can what is the protected we can take salary project we can take. Okay, so in this case print and type here I am protected simply. Okay, and we just check create the instance or object obj is equals to emp simply, and we can call this one obj first. We can call details function, check here like type here python main.py and check here. Yeah, oh, something is wrong. I did yeah, I miss here self. self and self, sorry. So yeah, I am public employee. So here is coming. If I change with the protected, then they give me the error. No, because its condition is fine. That's why we can use this one. This is a public. We can use the public with the anywhere, like in a class or outside the class or outside the objects also, right? Protected also similar, but in the class or similar way or sub classes only, not the outsides. Okay, and this one is protected, private. We can't use the private to outside. Like we can take a one example here, like class, and we can take here like employee and person, sorry, yeah, and we can give here like div public. We can give like my project is completed, and room, we are having the room publicly, so they are sitting lots of peoples, and we can type here like self also, yeah, and we can print here, print like I am public for person, simply. And we can create here similar object, like, oh, first we need to inherit this one, inherit with the emp, yeah, and after that we can create here person, simply, and we can call this one directly. So check, yeah, I'm protected, it's working good. And now we can call here like room and check, yeah, it's working fine. And we can call here directly like self dot project, simply, and check, it's working fine. If we want to use salary, then what happened? Because that one is private, so let's check how it's work. It's showing us the error because we can't use the private accessible to the another class. That's why we can use only public and protected to the outside or child classes only. So this is the way to write the encapsulation. If you have any queries, then please comment me and do continue the practice and keep enjoying with the Python. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much.